Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for your Narwal Freo Z10. If you're interested in the Z10 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description, so let's jump right in. First things first, at the top of the station you'll notice we have our dirty and clean water tanks. So every once in a while you'll want to clean and rinse out the clean water tank, and ideally after every use you'll want to clean out the dirty water tank. If that's not something you want to do after every cleaning session, I highly recommend putting in like a little bit of mouthwash in here to help keep odors from building up until you get around to cleaning out the dirty water tank. So keep that in mind there. Then further down in here, there's really nothing you should do. You can keep an eye on these little drain holes down there to make sure there's no obstructions, and you can wipe out any water that might build out or collect in here, and monitor these three inlets and outlets as well for any clogs or obstructions. Moving along on the station now, we can remove this cover. It's just magnetic and held in place with a couple magnets at the top and 2 tabs at the bottom. Once our solution's empty, we can always refill our solution by adding a new one. And there's how it installs. It just slides right in like that. And same with our vacuum bag. We can easily remove, discard, and install a new one. And you can always visually check in here and inspect for any clogs or obstructions. And clean out as needed. Compressed air will be your best friend. And then further down at the bottom, we have our removable trays. And it comes out, and we have 2 pieces here. So this guy can be removed for further cleaning and maintenance. Same with this. So very easy to wash and rinse these trays out. It makes cleaning so easy. And then you can visually inspect in here for anything else you might need to wipe down. But this tray right here makes station maintenance so easy, because this would be the common thing that you would pull out to clean and then replace those components as needed. So they really do a nice job with this design to effectively clean your station. It's kind of hard to see right here too, but that's our self-empty channel, so you can always investigate that channel for any obstructions as well, and keep an eye on that to pull out any debris or clogs if you have any. And at the very bottom, you can access those clogs right here. They make it super simple, just 6 Phillips head screws, and you can remove this to get access in there if you ever have any clogging. Very easy to clean up.